Hey everybody, Andre is here. So today we have another project in Willingboro, New Jersey. We are gonna be installing 19 windows. So let's have fun. So we are replacing today wood windows, not energy efficient, with new vinyl windows. That's how they look right now. So we got here old wood windows with storm windows on the outside, and you can see pretty much old windows, probably like more than 35-45 years old. So Jerry and Patrick working on two top windows. Jerry is working hard removing another window. First storm window is removed, and then you're gonna remove the wood windows, two wood window frames, to make sure that all nice and clean and ready for the new window. Working hard. Old capping is removed as well to check the soundness of the wood. So the first sash is removed, then the second goes. Patrick is working on another window, it's all out. So that's it, the bottom sash is down as well. So now you're gonna prepare the window opening, clean all the old wood that prevents to get the new window in, and you're gonna install the new window. That piece of aluminum is gonna be removed as well. That's part of the old window balance system. Okay, so we are ready for the window. Let's see, so now the window goes into the opening. Come on, it's in. Perfect. Great job. Good job, Jerry. Now the window is gonna be adjusted, so it's both of the sashes are moving nice, and it's tight, nice and tight. So there's no way that any kind of air comes into the house. In the inside, we're gonna adjust. In the middle of the window, there are two screws that has to be adjusted, so both sashes are moving nicely, and no air gets into the house. On the inside of the house, we're gonna put nice bit of silicone. So again, it seals tightly the window frame and the frame of the house with a paintable coating. So it's all finished, nice and finished. And we are installing windows by Okna windows manufacturers, and it's a deluxe package. Okna precision weld deluxe package, which means that both sections, the frames of the windows, are filled with foam, and the window screen locks at the bottom here. Two locks. So that means Okna precision weld deluxe package. So now when the window is installed, we're gonna put this liquid foam around the window frame to fill the little gaps, and so it's gonna be airtight, watertight, and no insects are gonna get into the house. So you can see how tight it is. This foam is filling this all the gaps between the frame of the house and the window itself, and like in half an hour it expands a little bit, so it fills even more all the any kind of little gaps that might be there. Good job. Now when the foam is filtered on the window, we are ready for another step, capping the window. Jerry is taking the measurements, and then we're gonna bend pieces of aluminum to put the nice beautiful finish on the outside, so the window looks like $1,000,000. Okay, first piece is ready to go. So now we're gonna install this aluminum capping, custom made for the window, so to make it totally maintenance free on the outside, and there's gonna be no need to paint for the next 30 years or as long as the window is in the house. So it's gonna look nice. So that's how it looks. Almost done, almost there, but not yet. So now the final piece goes on top of the window. It's almost ready, but not yet again, because we're gonna seal it with silicone all the way around the window frame and the new capping. So the final step of window installation is to seal the capping and the frame of the window is white silicone, so this way it's going to be watertight, airtight, and it's going to look nice. And again, the silicone is washable and maintenance free, so I mean, once it's done, nothing else has to be done, just enjoy the life with new windows. Use them, and from time to time just wash the glass of the windows. So here you go, the first two windows are done, and what a difference, they look so nice. You can see on the pictures before and after. Now each window looks like $1,000,000 at least, just like I said in the beginning, and that's how all of the windows of the house are gonna look like that. When we do the window replacement project, it's gonna be left a lot of trash, like old sashes, old wood sashes, some aluminum stuff. So, and it's all included, so the homeowner doesn't have to worry about anything. We are gonna take all that trash with us, and we're gonna nice and clean all the way around the house as well as inside the house. So okay, the whole job is done, all cleaned up nicely outside and inside the house, so we can see the difference. Each window looks like $1,000,000. And guys, Jerry, thank you.
You're welcome, no problem.
Patrick, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is one of my best guys, one of many crews that we have. They are one of the best. So I'll see you next time.
Alright, see you next time.
So another job all done by Silent Windows Wizards. So that's how we work. One job, one day, and we got installed 19 windows. So we can see how beautiful it is. All nicely cleaned up everywhere on the lawn. Looks nice.